Enjoy fresh and tasty juice served directly into your glass with this powerful and convenient Philips Viva juicer. With the drip stop spout, you can keep your worktop clean by preventing any sticky spillages. Detachable and dishwasher safe, it takes the hassle out of making your healthy drinks from scratch. The transparent lid allows you to watch your produce being juiced and see when the container is getting full. With full visibility, you can make sure your drink is prepared exactly how you like it. The pulp container offers a designated section to collect all of the unwanted leftovers. Designed for easy removal and cleaning, you can enjoy your drink without any lumps and pips. With its compact design allowing it to sit neatly on your worktop, this mess-free Philips Viva juicer makes it easy to get your daily dose of fruit and veg.